In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion habit tracker using Notion buttons. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser and heading into your workspace. Once you're on your Notion home screen, look for the Notion AI option and click it. This opens the AI prompt field where we'll ask Notion to build the structure for us. In the prompt box, type exactly, "Build a habit tracker with button implementation." Then press enter. Give it a moment to generate. Notion AI will create a starter layout for your habit tracker, often including a simple table or list and buttons that help you quickly add entries or log progress. This saves you time setting everything up from scratch and ensures the core pieces are already connected in a sensible way. Once the template appears, feel free to adjust and customize your habit setup. Make the names and sections your own so the tracker works with your daily routine. For example, update habit names, tweak descriptions, and confirm that the layout feels clear at a glance. The more specific your habit names are, the easier it will be to stick with them. It also helps to keep the initial list short, so you can build consistency before adding more. One thing you can do is create a new page dedicated to your habits, especially if you want a clean, focused place to review them each day. On that page, enter the habits you want to track, like walking, running, or devotion, and add checkboxes next to each one so you can monitor your progress. Checkboxes are great for quick daily wins. You open the page, mark what you completed, and move on. If your AI-generated tracker includes buttons, use them to streamline repetitive actions like adding a new day's checklist or logging that you completed a task. This keeps tracking fast and consistent. As you personalize, make sure the names of your habits are clear, the order makes sense for your day, and the layout is easy to scan. If you find yourself skipping a habit often, try renaming it to be more achievable. Small changes lead to better follow-through. That's the whole flow. Open the Notion website, click Notion AI, enter Build a Habit Tracker with button implementation. Press enter, let it generate, and then customize. With your new page and checkboxes in place, you'll have a simple system you can revisit daily to stay on track.